Welcome to Ethan News. The World Cup has started and Haiti's journey has now entered a new phase. According to the Haitian Football Federation, the Grenadiers have left their base camp and are moving toward the first test. This move is important. At this stage, preparation is no longer only about training. Now it becomes travel, focus, pressure, and match day discipline. Every detail matters. But beyond the travel itself, there is also an important message from the coach. His message was not arrogance. It was a message of humility, growth, and belief. And now Justin breaks down the team's mind map. The coach's message was simple. Haiti is still a small football nation that is growing. The team is making progress, the players are giving effort, and the group is learning. So even if the result is not perfect, this is not a reason for shame or anger.
For the fans, this is the moment to support, not destroy. The team is growing, and the journey is bigger than one match.
That is the message for the fans. Stay humble, stay positive, stand behind the Grenadiers, because this journey is bigger than one match. Grenadiers al lasso!